This is a procedure to improve the Habu 50 power by over 90% by removing the 30 amp ESC and replacing it with a 40 amp ESC and going from a 3-cell battery to a 4-cell battery. There's a very tight space getting the ESCs in and out, especially the battery connector, and you will have to remove the rotor servo arm to do this. If you're lucky, some people have been able to leave the elevator push rods on and get the connector out. If you can't do that, you will have to take the elevator push rods off. If you do end up removing the elevator push rods, I would strongly also recommend to remove the black plastic tubes that are around the elevator push rods, because they caused a lot of friction and they were preventing the elevator from coming back to the center position when the stick was released. If you're going to be belly landing in the grass, you should put the tail skid on the bottom of the rudder. I land in a field of 2-inch tall grass, and there's a tendency for the jet to catch the wing of the grass and do a cartwheel and break the elevator.